Alright guys, today I'm going to be fishing a pond using the Killdozer lure. What I have here is a Killdozer lure inspired by the man himself, Marvin Heemeyer. And I'm going to be going out to a pond today and I'm going to try to get some fish to strike it. So we are out on the water. I got the Killdozer lure right above me. And guys, if you'd like to support the channel, please do so through Buy Me a Coffee. And let's get to it. Alright, well I got a 2-ounce weight so we can keep this thing on the bottom. So we're going to do our first cast right now. Watch out, Donald. Good cast.
Got something?
Oh, it's so shallow here. Oh, I got something. Donald, I got something.
Let's go, fish on, baby, fish on.
Come on, come on, come on. What?
Dude, that's gotta be a snake.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. There we go. First catch of the day. Nope.
Nope.
Not yet. He's fighting hard. Dude! Oh! Yeah. Donald! Nice!
Oh.
Dude. That's the monster you saw.
Yeah.
Dude, you're like, I saw a monster. You went right to it and you caught him.
Dude, this thing is massive.
Dude! Here, I'm gonna... Yeah, we found their spawn bed for sure.
Probably could cast the Killdozer.
I can't tell if it's a weight or if I got a fish on the line. Oh, dude, you got one. I think I got something, dude.
Ooh, a little smallmouth. What you got?
Oh.
Double trouble.
We had a blast today, and thanks for watching the video. We got probably over 30 fish between the two of us, and I hope I've inspired you. So remember, keep exploring.